Simply adjusting your camera angle can make a world of a difference and keep the focus on the most important thing, you. Here's 3 pointers on dialing in your perfect shot. Framing your shot is the first and most basic technique you can learn. And since we're focusing on you, the talking head, we're gonna start with a centered, straight on shot, much like what you see here. You wanna have your camera lens at or slightly above your eye line. Many people have the habit of setting up their camera too low, especially if they're using a laptop on their desk. This can give you an unflattering double chin. We definitely don't want that. If your shot is too high pointing down, you'll look small and less authoritative. So play around with it a bit until you find that perfect eyeline shot. Now let's talk about headroom. This is the space between your head and the top of the frame. If you have too much headroom, it'll look like you're sinking out of the frame. If you have too little, then your head will look slightly cut off. Now I'm going to teach you a little pro tip, the rule of thirds. If you draw imaginary lines on your screen and divide it into 3 equal sections, then you want to make sure your eye line is on or near the line of the upper third section. Last, let's talk about how close you want to be from your camera. I'm going to say somewhere between a medium to a close-up shot. Now this is not an extreme close-up, but right about here, a nice natural distance. Also, if you're using an artificial light source like a ring light, be sure you're not so far away from the camera or the light that it's ineffective. If you're planning to edit and show text on screen, you may want to have a little bit of negative space to work with. If you're shooting in a room in your house that has a lot of stuff in the background, you may want to have a more close-up, tighter shot to crop out those distractions. It might be a good idea to create a checklist of these things and have it somewhere near where you shoot until you get really familiar with framing your shots. Do a couple test runs, see how it looks, and when you like what you see, give it a go. If you like what you heard, then don't leave without signing up for more quickie video tips, course content, and exclusive video coaching offers that will give you the confidence to do it on camera. Go to doitoncamera.com to sign up today.